Would you like to know how you can do a transparent text effect in Photoshop? Well, stay tuned. Hey, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. Let's get to this tutorial real fast. Let's make this transparent background will look sick when it comes to portraits or landscape. It always looks good. It looks always, no matter what. So let's just go to it. We are working with Photoshop. We're gonna open Photoshop. As you see right here, I was working on it. Let's delete all these layers so you can see how it goes. Alright, perfect. We're gonna have one layer, it's our background. We always do make a copy. Remember, always make a copy. First thing, Command J, Control J on Windows. Let's make that copy. After we have that copy, we are going to go to select all the way up here. We're gonna go select sky. If you have a portrait, you gotta select subject, so it's easier and faster. You don't have to invert it. But since we're working with the landscape and we have different options on the background, selecting the sky is a lot easier. So let's go to select one more time. Let's click inverse. After we have inverse, we're gonna click here and we're gonna create a new layer mask. Click on it. As you see, it's gonna appear just like that. If you remove the background, you'll see you will have no sky, because the photo, the text message are gonna go between the sky and between the mountains. So let's bring that baby back. So now what we're gonna do is create our text layer first. So let's type something. Let's do as I did before when I was practicing. Yes, soy wonder. Let's click no enter. Let's click right here and then let's click the letter B to be able to move it around. Move your row around. Command T to make it smaller, to make it the size that you want. Let's make it this size, a little smaller so we can fit everything in there. I think that will work. Let's make it higher a little bit. I think a little bit up. This is one of the hardest part of everything. Alright, let's click enter. We have our text layer already. What we're gonna do is Command J one more time. In total, you are going to have 4 layers. 2 of the background, 2 of your text that you're writing on your photos. So we're gonna right click on it. Scroll all the way down. We're gonna create right here, convert to shape. Once you click on it, one more step and we are almost there. We're gonna go to our shape tool right here, which is my rectangle. We're gonna click on it. Before you do anything, you're gonna go to fill all the way up here. You're gonna make sure you have nothing to fill the selection, your shape. And then you're gonna go to stroke. In stroke, we're gonna select the same layer, the same colors that you have on your test. If you have black, make sure you choose black. If you have blue, make sure you choose blue. Since I have white, I'm gonna select white. Perfect. And then I'm gonna make it for this, let's say 10 pixel. You're gonna click enter. After you have a 10 pixel, one more step. You see your first text layer. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna select it and we're gonna bring it between the 2 layers, the background and the other layer that we created. We make the selection, and as you see, you already have that nice touch. If you zoom in of between the mountains and your text layer. And this is it, guys. You could always play around, fix it up, find a different position where to put it. That's up to you, but this is basically the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. If you did, just click the like button, subscribe. If you want a tutorial specific on a theme or something, whatever, let me know. Leave it on the comment. I will take care of it as soon as possible. And stay safe.